Now, after using the Dyson V11 for more than a month, here are some of the tips to maximize your usage of this cleaning beast, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to Adam Lobo TV as I release videos at least twice a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, hey guys, welcome back my friends. Now the Dyson V11 Vacuum, I really have to say that it has changed my life in terms of maintaining the cleanliness of my studio and also at home. And during my 1.5 months usage, I have discovered some cool tips that I've learned, so here it is. Now firstly is using the brand new high torque cleaning head. Now in addition to the soft roller head, the V11 now also includes a brand new torque drive head where it has the dynamic load sensor which senses automatically when it's either on hard flooring and then transitioning towards the carpet, as it will increase the power automatically once it's on a carpet and also decrease the suction power once it goes back to the hard flooring. Now while the soft roller cleaning head is very good for hard flooring, but if you guys live in a space like me where there is a mixture of carpet and flooring within the same area, just stick to the new high torque head as it will make your cleaning time faster and simple as well. Next would be adjusting the suction gates on the cleaning head. Now on each of the cleaning heads you will find a suction gate where you can slide it left or right to adjust the gates to go all the way up, or even down, or even right in the middle, where I've learned that the best position for the suction gate is right in the middle, as it gives you a better combination of good suction, especially if you move the vacuum forward for all the particles to easily go through the gate holes, especially for bigger particles like cereal, as opposed to leaving it closed where it will make your cleaning forward harder, although it has a better suction. Now if the suction gate is all the way up, which gives a nice airflow, but it will slightly reduce the intensity of the suction power. Next would be the auto cleaning mode. Now what's really nice about the V11 is the fact that it comes equipped with a very nice LCD screen which displays all the information such as the different cleaning modes and of course the amount of time left for the vacuum's battery. And with my test, if you guys want to maximize your cleaning power and also extend the timing of the battery, my suggestion is to leave it at auto or even at medium cleaning mode, where not only it gives you a great battery life up to 40 minutes if you guys are using the high torque head as mentioned earlier, but it also gives you the right amount of cleaning power to get rid of dirt both on carpet and hard flooring, where the boost mode gives you a very powerful suction and the eco mode is for situations where you just have to clean small areas of dust or dirt. So the medium settings has a really good combination of both. Now as for the final tip is to use the included tool clip. Now the Dyson V11 comes with so many different accessories, which is one of the best things of owning this vacuum, as it gives you better cleaning versatility for all types of situations. Yes, it can be overwhelming with all the included items, but the included tool clip gives you the ability to easily clip on your cleaning pipe and then carry 2 tools on board, which makes it super convenient to switch between different cleaning heads without lugging them separately. Alright guys, hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys own or even planning to get yourself the V11 Vacuum, to be honest, I'm not paid by Dyson to say this, but I sincerely think that the Dyson V11 is the best investment that you guys could make, hands down, in terms of the best cordless vacuum in the industry today. And if you even do research, it has even the best suction, not only compared to other cordless vacuums, but for even corded vacuums right now. So guys, I'm creating this video to let you guys know my experience on it, and if you guys can invest on the Dyson V11 Vacuum, you really should, because it is a really good product. And if you guys have any questions to ask me in relation to the Dyson V11 Vacuum, feel free to ask me at the comment section below, as the Dyson V11 is going for a price of 3,399 ringgit, and I'll leave links down below where you can get the next day delivery within KL and Putrajaya if you guys head on to www.dyson.my. Now with this, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to touch the like button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.